Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I would like to share my little trick to getting your glitter quickly into your snow globe tumblers. Hope it helps. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way to get your glitter into your tumblers instead of sitting there for an hour poking glitter through the hole with a little stick, which is just a waste of time. You need one of these bottles. You can use a larger one if that's all you can get. I got these at Michael's. I have seen them all over the place. You can also use like a sauce bottle that's squeezable. It has to be squeezable. It has to have an end. I have cut the end off so you can see how thick it is. Now the largest glitter you can really use for this idea is kind of the chunky but not too chunky glitter, but it works great for that. And what you're going to do is you're going to pour it into your little squeeze bottle. And you're going to add your distilled water or whatever you're using. If you're using baby oil, you can use that as well. And you're just going to shake that up. Then you just have your tumbler with your hole already drilled. Give it a good shake and then just squeeze your glitter into the tumbler. So you just squeeze it in. As long as your glitter isn't too chunky, this works great. You just squeeze it right in. Goes right into your tumbler, no problem. This has literally saved me hours and hours and hours of putting glitter into tumblers. So I hope that helps you with your tumbler journeys. Thanks for watching.